Okay, Gav, so one of the things that you need to consider if you want to have a kettle installed is the vent and the waste pipe. So could you just explain to us what one of them is, please?
Yeah, so basically this is a vent here that we've got here today. This little black part of the vent is actually what we refer to as the tundish. So as the actual water boiler pressurises and it gets to the pressure and it creates the steam, you get water droplets that come out through the pipe and into the tundish. So if we look underneath here, obviously we've got our water boiler, and this is the hose that goes from the vent of the water boiler into the tundish. So then the water droplets just run down into the tundish, through the pipe and into your main waste pipe, which you've got here, as you can see.
So that's effectively the escape for the steam. Much like a kettle has just got an open outlet, this is obviously much like a sealed kettle. It just needs the steam needs somewhere to escape to.
It is. It performs in exactly the same way. So with a normal kettle, when it gets towards boiling point, obviously the steam comes out of the spout. With this, basically the steam comes out via this little flexible hose here, and then runs through the black cup or the tundish, down through this pipe and into the waste.
Oh, great. Okay, so what is it you actually need to consider if you're thinking about having the kettle installed with regard to that waste kit and getting it in? I'm assuming space is the big thing.
It is. The most important consideration is actually the height of the actual total vent assembly that you can see here. So from here to here is 350 millimetres. So in certain situations it might be a little challenging to try and get it to fit because of the height. But again, if there's anything that obviously you're not sure of, is just send an email with a picture into customer service, and we'll be able to look at it for you.
So the customer, if they're not sure, if they've got a big sink or they haven't perhaps got a suitable section of pipe, they can take a video or a short video of under the sink or a photograph and just send that in.
Yeah, and then we can advise the best way to actually fit the vent pipe into the system.
Perfect.